with you made that, and I got a package from Tula XII today, and I'm going to open it up right here so you guys can see what I got. Ooh. Create, organize, and plan. So this goes with the kit. Aw, little cloud clip. An owl sticker. Ooh, okay. Prayer request journal. Look at this cover. That is so pretty. My planner is in the extra large size, so this is the extra large. And I wanted one of these because I like how it's laid out. So here's the date, there's the name, prayer request. And what I like is there's plenty of room to write when the prayer was answered, if you know the date, because that helps build faith when you see your prayer answered. So I'm excited about starting to use that. Here's one about, it's called Take Notes. And look at this cover, cool. Okay, I needed this because in my planner, I didn't have anywhere to take notes. And I was like, I really need to get it. Take notes or a notepad or whatever, because sometimes I just have my planner with me and know where to write something down. So I'm excited about using this, and you can color it or whatever if you want. And here is my kit. All right, last time I opened a kit, I didn't open it further, but today I am. So let's start with this. Create, organize, and plan. So this is the little goodie that goes with the kit. Oh, these are the goodies. Look at the Woodland Friends washi tape. This is a fox and a squirrel and a raccoon and an owl and a mouse. Now, this is the only time when mice are cute. Otherwise, in real life, not so much. But look at this. Okay, this is called a teensy planner. I'm going to open it up. Again, cute mouse. Teensy planner. And it comes with these little books. And it could be, oh, there it is, on your keychain or purse, anywhere. It's just adorbs. I don't even know if I'll use it. It's just cute. Even there's a little pocket. So you go like this, and there are refills for this if you need it, but they give you two, and there's two separate jump bands. So you have two of them in there, and then you go like this, and it's adorable. It's adorable. And then this goes with it, with the kit. What is this? I think it's a notepad. Aw, cute. It is. Oh, sticky note too. And all at once, summer collapsed into fall. That's the truth right there. Cute. Scarftastic. Autumn Friends. Let's open it up. So this is called the Crop and Create. No, I totally got that wrong. Create, organize, and plan. COP for short. And they all come with the Teensy Planner, and they're new each month. So if you don't like this one that has the Woodland Friends, you might like next month's. I don't know what it is, but you might like it. Here's it tells you what is included. These wooden buttons, because whoops, they have holes. And I heard that you can color these with markers. So that's cool. Maybe alcohol markers? I don't know. I've never tried it. And then little chipboard things. Let's see, what is it? What are they called? 3 die cuts. Okay, these are the die cuts you can use for anything. Here's a coaster. Cute little squirrel coaster. I always use coasters. Whatever room I'm in, I always use a coaster. So I don't mind having more. Oh, there's another one. A little leaf. Yeah, 3 wood buttons. So that's what these are. Pretty. The trees are about to show us how beautiful it is to let go. Aw, and again, this is like the only time raccoons are cute, because they can be very destructive. So not cute so much when they're going through your trash or in your attic or whatever, but they're cute on paper. Stickers. Weekend vibes. You got this. Okay, little tabs for your planner. Or you can make cards with them. Wow. Pretty. You guys know I like pattern paper. That is really pretty. Here's another one. Nice. I will probably use these to make cards. Orange. Paper Pumpkin CIY. Oh, CIY stands for Create It Yourself. Watch our Instagram and YouTube for how to create these. Okay. So, Paper Pumpkin, cut out these stencils to use as a guide. Place on your choice of paper for the pumpkin and leaf. Trace out and cut out the pumpkin body and leaf. Bring 1 petal up at a time. Once all 6 are glued on your petal. Glue on your petal. Interesting. Okay. Could cut these out of felt too. Stitch them together. Put a button in the middle. I don't know. I'm just saying. Lots of things. And some craft colored cardstock to use for these. So, again, this is... Why do I always forget the name? Gotta lock this in. Create, Organize, and Plan kit. And it is the Fall Animals bag. Cool! And this is all the stuff you get. And for this alone, totes worth it. Love it. So thanks for opening this up with me from Tula 12. I'll put links in the description below. And if you decide you need a planner, click on that link and look around. Honestly, I did not think I needed a planner until I saw all the things that I could do with it, and then I decided I did. No regrets. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and have a great day. Bye!